I will show you how I automated the process flows of a veterinary clinic where we are preparing PDF applications, and also we are automatically scheduling meetings with the customers. So this is the web form where the customer will submit the data. So from here they will submit the request. So let's submit some dummy data. So I'll click next. So here this is where I'm going to submit the pet information. So I'm just submitting uh, some dummy data. So requesting dates, maybe Jan 1st. So I will select few applications, and I can add multiple here, but I'm not going to do. So I'll delete the pet details. So I'll submit it. So once I submit it, it will submit it in the sheet. Yeah, now we received the notification. So you can see it has submitted in the sheet. So this is the main sheet. So I'm not going to use this sheet. I'll copy it. Let me delete the data here. I have this one here. So I'll paste it here. Okay, now we're going to prepare the PDFs with this data. So here oh sorry, one moment, not generate. We'll have to prepare the data first. So we submitted multiple applications, right? So we need multiple PDFs. So that's why we are preparing data into a new sheet with all the required details. So here we need to add the schedule date. So let's say Jan 1st, 2025. Okay. Let's do one thing. I will put it as 1 p.m. Once the PDF is created, it will generate the link here. Now let's create the PDFs. So it is skipped because the schedule date is not updated. So what I will do, as I have added the schedule date in the form, I will run that related script. Okay. Now we can create the PDFs. So this is how the client wanted. So that is how I created. So we can modify it, we can simplify it, or maybe we can create, a dashboard or a web app, whatever requirement you have, we can modify it accordingly. Okay, now it creates the PDF. Let's open the PDF. Okay, now it has all the details here. You see it? It even has the signature of the doctor. It has also the check marks, etc. So you can see all the PDFs are being generated. It has all the required information. So this has saved a lot of time for the client, where they were filling the PDF forms manually. So they have like a lot of customers daily. So they were filling like a lot of forms. So it was very difficult for them to manage it. So once we automated this one, it has saved a lot of time and efforts for them. Now I can schedule a calendar accordingly. So now this is the calendar sheet. First I will prepare the calendar. Okay. Now I'll schedule a meeting with the customer. So one moment. Okay, now I'm setting up the calendar. Okay, so I'll check my calendar. Yeah, so you can see the invite is created with the customer. So if I go to my email, okay, it's on another tab. So I'll do one thing. I'll just open it and accept the invite. Okay, so you can see that we also received the notification that Sudeep has accepted our invite, and here it shows I have accepted. Okay, so this has saved a lot of time to the customer, to the client. So we can also set up same similar automations for your project. So you can reach out to me. You can message me. I have my contact in the description. Message me with your requirements. So we'll build a custom form or you know custom system for you, so that it will save a lot of time for your business as well.